honestly, it's been a slow start to the fishing year, 2024. Weather, problems with the Jeep, lunar cycles kind of, today's the first day where everything's sort of somewhat aligned. We're coming off the new moon of March. This really is the last day of the new moon before it starts to transition again. And finally, the weather's been stable a couple of days. Temperature's a little cool. I think it was 37 this morning, Fahrenheit. Good bit of current. Jugs are all out, but just in deploying the jugs, we're almost half a mile below the dam now. And I'm the type person, I generally like to stay with my jugs. I don't like to just put my jugs out here and just let them and then forget about them. No, nothing on it. All right, we got one. Look at there. Got him. Little old blue. Baby blue, huh? Blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah. Didn't bring my knife with me. I like to slit their gills. You slit their gills and let them bleed out, they're much better meat, much better quality of meat. Yeah, I got a tip, the fella here, saying that we're just not down this far. We got to go up further in the fast water. I'm kind of scared of fast water, but you got to go to where the fish are. We got one right here. Can you see him? At least he was dipping. He may have come off already. Nope. They in here. 10 jugs. Oh. Fella gave me some bait too. I kind of remember my old bait where I used to mix it up in that nasty slime. Pretty much the same thing. Yeah, we got one right here. He's running. Here. Right. What's that? Yeah, it's working all right. Not bad. Tree has been there for probably 20 years. It's never moved no matter how much it floods.